Hello everyone, welcome back to business_AI. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can make $1,000 per month from freelancing online. The first step to making money online through freelancing is choosing a skill that matches your interests and market demand. Some in-demand skills include graphic design, programming, writing, and digital marketing. Next, you need to invest time in learning and improving your skill. There are many resources available online, both free and paid, like Coursera, Udemy, and YouTube. To attract clients, you need a strong profile on freelancing platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. Your profile should clearly describe your skills and what you offer. Showcase your previous work in a portfolio. If you don't have client work yet, create sample projects to demonstrate your skills. Step 3. Marketing and attracting clients. Setting your rates appropriately is crucial. Research the market to find competitive rates and be clear about your pricing. Use social media and professional networks to market your services. Good reviews and ratings are essential, so always ask your clients for feedback. Managing your time effectively is key to freelancing success. Use tools like Trello and Asana to stay organized. It's important to handle pressure and deadlines well. Remember to take breaks and maintain your mental health. To summarize, choose a skill, build a strong profile, market yourself effectively, and manage your work well. With dedication and continuous learning, you can achieve your goal of earning $1,000 per month from freelancing. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to business_AI for more tips on making money online. See you in the next video.